If your apartment still feels a little off, even after you've cleaned it, organized it, and tried to make it look nice, it's probably not what you're missing. It's what you keep adding. Most people think their space doesn't look elevated because they haven't bought enough, so they keep buying. More decor, more pieces, more small upgrades that feel like they should help. But that's exactly what's making the space feel cluttered, smaller, and honestly, cheaper. And this is the part most people don't realize until it's pointed out. Before you buy anything else for your apartment, there are a few things you need to fix first, because once you get these right, the same exact space starts to feel completely different. And the last one is the mistake that quietly ruins everything, even if everything else looks good. Let's start with the biggest one: lighting. If your main light source is your ceiling light, that alone will make your space feel flat. It doesn't matter how nice your furniture is. Overhead lighting removes depth and makes everything feel more basic. Quick test. Turn off your overhead light tonight and see what happens. What actually works is layered lighting. Floor lamps, table lamps, accent lighting at different heights. You're not lighting the room, you're creating pockets of light inside the room. And that shift alone makes your apartment feel warmer, softer, and more intentional. But even when people fix this, their space still doesn't look right. Here's why. Scale. Most people buy small furniture for a small apartment. Small rug, small art, small decor everywhere. It feels like it should make sense, but it does the opposite. This is where people accidentally make their space look smaller without realizing it. It makes your space feel busy and visually crowded. Instead, you want fewer pieces, but larger ones. One oversized rug instead of a small one. One large piece of art instead of 5 small ones. Even a tall mirror can completely change how your space feels. When you get this right, your apartment starts to feel calmer, because your eye finally has somewhere to land. If you're already noticing a few things in your own space, just hit like real quick. I'll keep breaking these down in a way that actually works. Now here's where people undo all of that. Clutter. And not just mess. Visual clutter. This is the one people usually underestimate. Too many small items, too many competing shapes, too many things trying to stand out at the same time. Even if everything is clean, it still feels overwhelming. The fix is simple. Edit your surfaces. Instead of 10 things, choose 3. A tray, a book, one intentional object. That's it. Give each item space. Because expensive spaces don't show everything, they choose what to show. Now here's a subtle one that makes a bigger difference than people expect. Curtains. If your curtains start right above your window, your ceilings instantly feel lower, and your apartment feels smaller without you realizing why. This is one of those fixes that looks small but changes everything. Instead, hang them closer to the ceiling. Let them fall all the way to the floor. It stretches your space vertically and changes how light enters the room. Everything starts to feel softer and more elevated. Now, even if everything looks good so far, your space can still feel slightly off. This is usually why. Color isn't the issue. Texture is. This is where most people go in the wrong direction. A lot of people try to fix their space by adding more color. But in a small apartment, that usually creates more chaos. Instead, keep your palette calm. And layer texture. Soft fabrics, natural wood. Matte finishes, subtle contrast. That's what creates depth without overwhelming the space. Now, let's take this one step further, because this is where your apartment starts to feel like a real home. Most small apartments feel like one open box. Everything blends together, no structure, no separation. What changes that instantly is zoning. Use a rug to define your living space. Use your sofa to create boundaries. Even a small table or shelf can separate areas without taking up space. You're not adding more. You're organizing what's already there, and this is what makes a small apartment feel intentional instead of temporary. Now here's a detail almost no one pays attention to, but it makes a huge difference. Height. Most people decorate everything at eye level or below, which keeps your space visually compressed. If your space feels smaller than it actually is, this is usually why. Instead, draw the eye upward. Taller mirrors, higher curtain placement, vertical lines. The more vertical movement your space has, the larger it feels. And the more floor you can see, the more open it feels. And now we get to the one thing that ties everything together, or completely breaks your space. Consistency. Not everything needs to match, but everything should feel like it belongs together. This is what separates a nice apartment from one that feels designed. Similar tones, similar materials, a consistent overall feel. Because when everything connects, your apartment stops feeling like separate pieces and starts feeling like one complete space. None of this requires buying more. In fact, most of it comes from doing less, but doing it better. And once you fix even one or two of these, you'll notice it immediately. Your apartment feels calmer, more intentional, more put together, and more importantly, it finally feels like a place you actually want to come home to. If this made you rethink what you've been adding to your space, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.